An electric water heater's reset button is a safety device, not an ordinary on and off switch. If it has tripped, follow this sequence once and pay attention to what happens afterward. First, confirm that the tank is completely full of water. Open a hot water faucet. A steady stream without bursts of air indicates that the tank is filled. Never energize an empty or partially filled electric tank because the heating elements can burn out. Turn off the water heater's double pole breaker at the electrical panel. Confirm the power is off according to the manufacturer's safety instructions before opening the heater. Remove the upper access panel and carefully move the insulation aside. Behind it, you should find the upper thermostat and its red high-temperature reset button. Press the button firmly once. A click usually means the safety switch had tripped. Put the insulation and access panel completely back in place before restoring power. Turn the breaker on, then allow the heater time to recover before testing the hot water. If the button will not reset or the breaker or reset trips again, do not keep pressing it. A faulty thermostat, loose electrical connection, grounded heating element, or overheating condition may be responsible. Leave the power off and arrange qualified service. Did the button click when you pressed it? Let us know in the comments.